Welcome back to Christine's Jamaican kitchen. Once again, we're here cooking up a storm. Today we're cooking mince with some spaghetti. Okay? But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more wonderful recipes available. You know what to do. Tap it right now. And this is all our ingredients that we need for this dish.
Oil, oyster sauce, allspice, Maggie all-purpose seasoning, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, soy sauce,
Scallion, onion, pepper, thyme, garlic, lime, ground beef or turkey beef.
Our mince is already washed and seasoned.
Of course, you know you use your water and lime to wash your mince. So as you see, it's already seasoned and it's been marinating for a couple of hours. Well, right now I have half of my powder seasoning. You know how I do it by now. Half of my powder season marinating right in here, ready to go. Kimberly, let's go wash our hands and go cook.
I like washing my hands.
We got our pot on the stove preheating on high heat, and we already washed and chopped our vegetables. As you can see here, your onion, your thyme, your scallion, pepper, all washed, chopped, and ready to go. As soon as the pot is preheated, we're gonna add our oil and we're gonna start. The ball is gonna be rolling. Good job. You're not gonna say what you're doing, so you
Adding oil.
Okay. While your flames is still high, you want to go ahead and you want to saute your vegetables. Come on, Kimberly, let's do this. Here. Just a little bit at a time. Saute vegetables for around 2 to 3 minutes. Then you want to add the rest of your powder. This is the other half of the powder seasoning. So you want to go ahead and add it. Turn your flames down to medium. Good. Ready for your mince. Turn your flames back up. still keep it on high heat and just stir. Fancy word, saute. So you can see two different colors going on in there. So you still see like a little, what is it? A little pink, yes, and little dark areas. So you want to not see any more pink before we put our lid on, okay? When we're done with you now, girl, you can cook anything and everything, okay? So I am ready to add some sauce. In here we have
Soy sauce and oyster sauce.
But guys, don't worry, I always have my measurements in the description box below. So you see me pressing, kind of smushing some of them out because it gets a little bit lumpy. Wow, Kimmy, look at this. Beautiful, huh? I enjoy cooking. Nice color. Go ahead and add 2 cups of water. Put your lid on. We're gonna allow that to simmer for 30 minutes. Go put your timer on.
After 15 minutes, you want to add the rest of your water. This is how it looks like after 15 minutes. And now I'm going to add some water. And then let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Minutes later, dinner is done and dinner is ready.
30 minutes later, dinner done, dinner ready. So we have some spaghetti and we just cooked down the mince. 30 minutes, it only took us 30 minutes. Kimberly cooked mince today. I did the spaghetti and she did the mince. Let us go in and dig right in. Kimberly, your mince tastes good. Let me go in and go in on the spaghetti here. immaculate. Mm. Kimberly, Kimberly, you did it. You did it. Guys, maganya medina, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. So, bye. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.